Brothers, masyado po akong nag-enjoy ngayong Pasko, so patawarin niyo po ang aking voice. Welcome to another episode of Feelings Explained. Gian, may kasama kang mama ngayong episode. Kamusta ka na?
Hi, Pat. Oh my God. I feel so sorry for you. Wow. Pero parang hindi ako sorry talaga, no? Okay lang ako. Happy ako today. Happy. Questionable.
Yes.
Questionable, sis. Grabe to. Sis, tweet. Tutuloy ba natin? Kasi parang hindi ata aabot yung boses mo.
Ilalaban natin to because this is the year-ender for Feelings Explained. If ang Spotify may Wrapped, may 2022 Wrapped sila, dapat ang Feelings din, meron tayong Wrap ng mga kaganapan ng 2022. Meron tayong best and worst, may growth ba? Wala. We are gonna find out. But before anything else, Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
I love that, Pat. This is an exciting episode. Wow. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung ending. Ang tuldok para sa 2022 for our feelings. Ano ang tawag doon? Small win. Kalimutan. Small win of the week ako ngayon. Actually, hindi lang siya for this week, pero siguro for the month of December para pauso ko lang, pero hindi, kasi totoo talaga to. Ito talaga yung katotohanan. At hindi ko pa siya nababanggit ever, pero matagal ko na siyang kinikim-kim. So, ang win ko is not just really my win, but it is my family's win. Wow! As a good person! Charing. Ayun. So, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, so my brother is part of this putang inubo. Is part of this anong tawag doon? Fuck. Competition na survival idol, whatever, in Emerald on ABS-CBN. So yes, ang tawag po doon ay Dream Maker. So, ayun. So my brother is Vinci. Yes, our center Vinci, hashtag Emerald. So, si Vinci, he's part of that show. Currently, taping siya ngayon, currently running Emerald. Tapos, ang pinaka-win talaga doon is yung buong pag-accept sa kanya, yung recognition na nakukuha niya, even despite that the show is just about to turn 1 month. Parang ganon. So, ang dami niya ng supporters, and I guess the biggest win is that as of this recording, I think we are at around almost 100K. 90K plus na ata ngayon. Ay, hindi. Tama ba? Hindi. Mga 80 naman. Mga 80K worth of donations all over the world na natanggap. Kaya parang grabing win talaga siya. And yung pagiging Vinci niya, win na talaga eh. So yon, yes, you can support my brother by voting and by watching whatever, I don't know. Basta ang dami pong paraan. Follow nyo lang ako because I'm always gonna plug it. I'm never gonna shut up about it. And yun ang win ko for this episode. Ikaw ba, Pat? Do you have a small win or shit of the week for the last and final time this year?
Ako have a small win dahil yung may exchange gift sa office, tapos yung napanalunan ko, sobrang saya ko to the point na yung may-ari namin na babae lumapit at tinanong, hala, na panalunan mo? Sabi ko, pang-inom ko po. As in
Pera?
literal,
Bakit?
it's a flask. No, it's a flask with 2 shot glasses and a spoon and fork na parang Swiss knife type. Basta sobrang cute, sobrang nice. Na tuwan-tuwa talaga ako kasi bagay siya para sa akin kasi tangina pang inom.
Wait,
Promise.
personalized for you or sumakto lang?
No,
Ay, ang
sumakto
gan-
lang talaga.
Ay.
Yes. Kaya parang ako, oh my God. Medyo sumama lang daw yung loob ko sa raffle nung una. Pero na-realize ko, choosy pa ba ako? 1:1 naman. Rice cooker naman yung nakuha ko.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Wow.
Sis,
Ang gitera.
minor price kasi yung rice cooker. Yung minamata ko, yung air fryer oven.
Oh my God, yes.
Konti na lang talaga sis, air fryer oven na ako eh. Kung hindi man air fryer oven, microwave. Konti na lang. Tapos biglang, ay, nalaglag ako sa microwave.
Ay. Paano yung bunutan?
Pero, hindi bunutan. Basta may nangyaring may nangyaring discrepancy. So,
Tangina Christmas, na lang may discrepancy pa.
yes.
Oh.
So, ako yung casualty.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm.
gets.
Kaya ayan, pero sige hindi na ako aarte. Ano naman din yun, rice cooker naman din yun,
Ay,
okey na
oo.
yun.
Makakakain ka dun ng favorite nating rice. Yes. Mm.
Yes. Okay, Gian, simulan na natin itong wrap ng 2022. Can I ask, sa lahat ng mga naging small wins natin, if you remember, and shits, ano yung mako-consider mo na biggest? It can't be what you said ngayon,
Oo,
ha?
okay, okay. Wow, shit ang challenge nun. Fuck, grabe, kailangan talaga nasabi ko na?
Puwedeng hindi. Puwede yung mga internal small wins mo.
Okay. Okay, sige, sige. Ang ganda niyan. Ang ganda, I love it. Oh my God, feeling ko ang dami ko masasabi dito. So, sis, kung kailangan mo ng proxy, ako na magsasalita for you. Wow, ako na lang. Hindi kasi naawa ko sa voice mo, girl eh. Okay. Noted. Sige, uminom-inom ka lang dyan. Allow me to narrate the story. Ang win ko talaga, I guess the biggest win of the year, wow, for me, was really the Bangkok trip. So, kailangan ko explain, no? Mahaba to. Wow. Ready kayo? Hindi kasi, sobrang win ko talaga siya because, number one, spontaneous talaga yun. As in, even even the flight itself. As in, even basta yung pagpunta ko doon, yung on the way pa lang, medyo spontaneous in a way na hindi ko naman talaga plano na pumunta. I was thinking of Singapore, may bibisitahin sana akong friend, ganyan, Emirate. Tapos, biglang, out of nowhere, this friend of mine na, yun nga, nagka-reconnect kami after how many years talaga, as in almost a decade, na parang walang nangyaring ganun, walang gap, ganun yung feeling, kaya ang magical din. Yun nga, nag-reconnect kami, so parang siya nag-invite sa akin, invite in a way na parang, uy, sama ka sa amin. Ganon. Basically, I'm an actual plus one sa Bangkok. And then, pero parang feeling ko ako yung main character. As a pabida-bida, 'di ba? Feeling ko ako na naman yung bida, ganun. So that's my biggest win because it was the longest na wala akong work. 10 araw akong wala sa office. Kinalimutan ko lahat ng responsibilidad ko. Wala yung anxiety na tangina parang all throughout this year ay talagang dala-dala ko. Heart, mind, body, soul. Um, I met amazing people. I will never shut up about it. I met these amazing people, and then ate good food, like as in, and I guess the biggest part of it all is I afforded it. Parang, ay, walang utang yan si ate nung paglipad niya. Yun talaga, proud na proud naman po talaga ako. And super thankful. Thank you, Thailand, for being the enabler of all my dreams talaga. As in, it was a dream come true. As in, like, I was on cloud 9. I was at the top of the world. As in, ramdam mo naman pat, di ba? Ang saya-saya ko tuwing Bangkok, ganyan. And yun talaga, totoo. At hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako tapos mag-upload. Mga 6 months, ano pa yan? Content. Charing. Oo, basta yun. So yun, that's my biggest win, Pat. I'm so happy. I'm still very happy.
Good for you, sis. Ramdam ko yung saya mo, the light and the joy in your
I
eyes.
know.
Hindi yun makita ng feelers natin, but I can see
Thank
it.
you.
Yes.
Yes. So ikaw, Pat, what is your entry?
Ako, sis, I wasn't really expecting much when 2022 came in. Like, career-wise, wala naman. But like, I remember, ang sabi ng boss ko na, tagal niyo sa bato, yayaman kayo. Kaya sis, gano'n na lang yung fee, yung saya ko sa pera nung,
Oh, yeah.
yung parang kinukwento ko na, yung pasok ng ATM or pag, hindi ma ATM, pero pagkita ko nung parang pera ko na, ay, pera ko to? Ganon, sis. Minado ako, masaya ako sa pera ko, pero andun pa ako sa feeling na, andun pa rin ako sa, takin na mukha pa rin talaga akong pera, kasi nga, given nga na, nakipagbalyahan ako para sa 250 pesos sa 100 sa Christmas party. Pero still, pera ay pera.
Yes.
Aaminin ko na talaga yon. So, actually, yun yung biggest, well, isa sa mga biggest win ko, or, yeah, Another one siguro ay I didn't tell this to I didn't share this. This is one of a personal one. I've told a few close friends. Ikaw, G, alam mo. I have another nephew. And yeah, he is so cute. I won't tell you guys his name, but it's a boy. Ano siya, muntik na siyang maging, ay hindi Scorpio pala siya
Scorpio
kasi
siya.
November 22, di ba?
Oo, umabot siya.
It's 22
umabot
Scorpio.
Siya. Till
Yes. Yeah, so we have another Scorpio in the family. Kaya I'm so excited to watch this little boy grow. So yun isa sa mga biggest, hindi pala, mga top, top small wins.
Yes.
Yes, mga bata at pera.
I love it. Ang napansin ko, Pat, kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng win, it's not necessarily just our win. Usually, yung happiest win or greatest win, may kasamang ibang tao. Wow! That's such a nice person.
But yeah,
Sis, no?
that's true.
Oo. Yeah. Wala lang. Na-realize ko lang yun.
At saka kasi there's something about sharing that joy, that win. Kumbaga, kung paano natin tawagin na we are celebrating it not because nangyari siya sa atin, but because we are celebrating it with other people. Alam mo yun siya.
Totoo.
Yung freedom, parang ikaw, kunyari sa Bangkok mo, yung freedom mo na meron ka, na hindi ka nagkatrabaho, and ako yung freedom na, tangin na sis, may pera.
Oo,
Ganon.
totoo. Gets. Ito sis, in line with the Spotify rap kind of, ang tawag doon, summary. Di ba meron doon, uso doon yung sinasabi na, you spent X amount of minutes listening to Emerald. Sa'yo, ano yung parang X amount of blank na ginawa mo na talagang nag-consume ng 2022 mo? It could be work-wise, it could be a hobby, an annoying tick. Alam mo yun? Yung parang kung sasabihin mo, Pat did this amount of Emerald. Ganon.
Ako, girl, work talaga. Wala akong, iniisip ko simula January until today, walang araw na hindi ko inisip ang trabaho.
Yeah.
Walang araw na, I don't know if it's sad. But then again, kasi in our line of work, happiness, sadness, anger, depression, anxiety,
Yes.
all rolled into one.
Correct.
So parang dadaanan mo siya. Minsan nga ako, iisipin ko, sa isang araw, ilang emotions yung pagdadaanan ko. 'Di ba?
Ramdam.
At saka yung sa amin naman, parang we have travel incentives. So like ano ba, nung May of this year, nagpalawan kami and it was fun.
Yeah.
Girl, kahit magpalawan ka ng 3 days, 2 nights, basta wala kang ginastos, gagong masaya yun.
Masaya yun. Oo.
Diba?
Naalala ko pa rin yung stories mo nun actually. At saka yung mga shrimp mo, like everything.
Yes.
I know it in my
Sis,
eyes. Wow.
Diba? Kakain ka ng steak libre. Kakain ka ng lobster libre. Sino ka
Iinom
para magreklamo?
Oo.
Iinom ka? Diba?
Okay na.
Alaga ka? Day,
Oo.
tigilan nyo ako.
Mm-mm.
Diyos ko, kahit, yes, stressful yung trabaho. And yes, may mga makakasalamuha kang mga taong hindi mo masyado gusto or hindi mo makakasalubong pala, in my case. Meron kang you have to deal with unreasonable clients who take advantage of your kindness.
Ay.
But then again,
Oo.
'di ba?
Uy, pero wait.
But then again,
Sige, go.
Yeah.
Hindi, meron lang
Then
akong
again-
sasabihin sa clients, pero go.
Sige. Tapusin ko lang to. You realize then, like ako ngayon, I'm not romanticizing my work, pero gusto ko lang sabihin na tanginan ang galing ko, ang sobrang resilient ko para magstay at matapos yung year na to
Yes.
without kind of thinking din. Despite sa dami ng anxieties, depression
Oo. Actually, sis.
na pinagdaanan ko,
Actually,
sis.
dyan din ako hanga sa'yo. And that's something na hanggang everyday iniisip. Pero constant ko yung naiisip na parang, like, people like you na talagang, ay, tumatagal sila. Alam mo yun, kasi kilala mo ko eh. Once I feel that I'm like, hindi lang sa unhappiness ha, pero parang basta pag may naramdaman akong hindi hardship at hindi lang discomfort, pero like everything in between talaga, alam mong may gagawin ako para makawala dun eh. 'Di ba? Lagi akong ganun. Like, not just escape it, but like, get it over with. Pero may mga taong like you na, despite it all, nandyan pa din. Which is something ha. Like, it says something. And it's not negative. Parang, ang galing. Actually, yeah, I salute you for that. And speaking of clients, in fairness naman, kasi 'di ba may perspective tayo or parang siguro parang expected naman na natin na clients are usually parang hard to please, hard to, alam mo yon, lahat na ng kahirapan parang sa kanila nang gagaling, 'di ba? Root of all the hardships, ganun. But not necessarily naman true talaga for all. Not to parang generalize. But I think that's the notion, 'di ba? Pero sobrang thankful ako sa mga nakakatrabaho ko na kliyente. Parang, oo, gets ko yung demands, gets ko yung parang kailangan ganito, pero maayos ka usap. As in, wow, nag-butter up. 'Di ba sis?
Ay, totoo. Yeah.
May mga ganun.
Yeah. Alam mo, ang natutuwa ko dyan, sabi mo, I have this client na tangina favorite ko sila. As in kung pwede kong buhatin ang mundo para sa kanila, exage man.
I love it.
Pero gagawin ko, sis, kasi parang ito yung mga taong to, yung merong malasakit sa'yo as a person. As a worker, yung parang pag nagsabi ka na, like kunyari tayo, Gian, you're my client, I'm your AE, at sinabi ko sa'yo na, G, sorry, cut off kasi namin ganito, or deadline kasi namin talaga ganito, para maganda yung makuha mong service, or para hindi tayo nagmamadali, para carry na tayo, eto deadline ko para sa'yo. Pero pag hindi talaga kaya, let me know, gagawa ko ng paraan. And as much as possible, they try to make the deadline.
Yeah.
And they advise me early na pag hindi talaga kaya. And I appreciate those clients. Kaya para sa akin, if you move the world for me, I will move the world for you too.
Diba?
Exactly, at given sis na yung clients nila are international clients. Kasi they're an agency, sis, hindi lang naman din isang supplier ang iniintindi nila rin.
Totoo.
Diba? Kung ikaw, mas lalo ikaw, hindi lang din isa ang kinakausap mo, madami pa, diba?
Yes.
Tapos sabayan ka ng implementation, sabayan ka ng strat plan, sabayan ka ng preso. So parang, ang sakit sa ulo nun. And
Yes.
para lang maging considerate enough ka. Para sa akin lang to personal ko lang to. Maging considerate enough ka sa mga suppliers na kinakausap mo. And you treat them as people and not just a means to an end of your campaign. Means a lot to me and says a lot about your character and your company and your work environment. I thank you.
Oh my God, sis. Very well said. Sis, are we in an interview right now? Parang may mag-apply ka na ba, Char? Uy, hindi totoo lahat ng sinabi mo. Ramdam ko. At saka, ang sarap pagsilbihan ng mga taong maayos kumausap. Yung parang may empathy. Alam mo yon, yung nagkakaintindihan na parang despite na, okay, ito yung mga asks ko. Kailangan yung ma-meet, Emerald. Pero alam naman din nila yung reality of the situation na, ay, may mga bagay talagang hindi maitatawid, ganyan. And thankful ako kasi, yan din, same naman, I don't think na nag-move naman yung world namin. Pero, alam mo yun, yung parang may give and take na nagigets naman nila pag ay mga hindi talaga umaabot, ganyan. Tsaka, I feel like they actually care about us also. Alam mo yun, yung parang hindi rin yung pagtrato is like, o mga putang na nyo, Emerald, gawin nyo to, gaya. Hindi lang ganon. So, I love it. I love it so much. Wow, I love connections talaga. Char. Speaking of connections, this 2022, kung pwede mong sabihin, kung okay lang sa'yo, parang sino yung pinaka na-surprise ka that you made a connection with this year?
Well, sa friends, wala. It's more of maintaining. Like, well, siguro seeing my boss in a different light. Yung pinaka-boss talaga namin, yung director. Or yung head namin. Seeing him in a different light because I always have this idea na, okay, ganito siya, ganito siya, ganito siya. But then, um, parang nabuwag yun for some reason. At saka siguro din, fault ko din dahil hindi ko siya masyadong kinakausap. At saka parang ako, Kebs, wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Basta andyan ka, okay, carry. Ganun siya para sa akin. But now, siguro ngayon meron akong certain understanding na, basta I saw
Basta
him in a
yun.
different light.
Nagulat ka
Professionally
dun.
ha.
Oo.
Oo.
Thank you.
Professionally. Baka isipin niya parang, tangin ng pogi ni Sir. Ganun na.
Nilagyan ng mali siya. Ang pota.
Nilagyan na mali siya. Pero hindi, yeah. Tapos, sa personal relationships, wala. It was more of maintaining the people that mattered to me most. Weeding out kung sino ba yung mga taong sige,
Ekis.
dahil 2022 na, natapos na ang 2021, nakaalaya ka na sa buhay ko. Sige, mas palalayain pa kita.
Wow, Moira
Oo.
yon.
Moira yan, sis. At saka, especially the elections. Yung elections talaga na
Oh my
yun.
God.
Ito na yung, the moment na itong, yung mga ibang tao na parang, kung makapagsalita are so full of hate, parang sa akin, I don't have enough space for you anymore to entertain that kind of energy. So like, sige, ayoko na. Hindi na. Yan talaga, sis.
Tama naman. I love that.
Mm-mm. Ikaw ba? May mga ganun ka ba?
Gosh, actually, this year, parang ito yung pinaka madaming bagong connections or existing connection pero wasn't as strong and then it became stronger. As in, parang wow, as in, nahiya ako i-share kasi gatekeeper ako ng mga tao sa buhay ko eh. Parang gusto ko akin lang sila. Char, kilala mo naman silang lahat to eh. Pero, oh my God, parang ito, isa siya sa mga realizations ko. Yung mga older friends ko, ito, parang generic, observation na sobrang thankful ko kasi meron ako mga ganun. May mga ate ako. Ako yung ate sa pamilya, 'di ba? Pero outside the family, yung mga connections that I've made back in college, grabe. Ang tatag. And nagulat na lang ako na parang, wow, kilala ko na sila for like 6-7 years or more. Almost a decade yung iba. And there's still a part of my life. I mean, I think they are now even a much parang active participant in my life because parang I seek help from them, I seek advice, ganyan. At sobrang thankful ako doon kasi parang ang swerte ko na napapaligiran ako ng ganong mga klase ng tao. Yun. And ang dami-dami ko nakukuha from them. As in, I love my older friends. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Kasi sa kanila ako kumukuha din nung not just inspiration, pero parang strength na yung kapal ng muka na parang, nagawa nga nila eh. Yung ganon. So, yun. So, ang galing kasi ganon yung mga connections ko. And they're now parang deeper, mas nakakausap ko sila ngayon, mas naging mature na rin yung mga usapan. So, I'm like, oh my God, my life is complete. Alam mo yun, because of these people. And then, isa rin sa mga pinaka nakakatuwan-tuwa din akong relationship is the one that I have with my family now. Kasi sobrang naging maayos talaga eh. I mean, ayokong batiin kasi parang, shit, baka masyado namang ang ganda-ganda naman ng 2022 ko. Wow. Masyado namang mapayapa. Oh my God, 9 minutes. Pero ganun yung feeling na na-surprise din ako actually because nung pandemic, yung kasagsagan ng lockdown, syempre 'di ba nakakaumay sila na lang. Pero mas naging close din kami noon kasi nga we're always together, lagi kami kumakain together. But nung ito, like this year, I think this was the year that we bonded the most eh. Na parang lagi kaming kakain ng Japanese, mag-explore ng bagong resto, ganyan. Pag may time si mommy, tapos, my God, as in like, eventful, wow. And, oh my God, siguro isa sa mga sobrang na-touch ako sa family ko, nung, nung broken girl ako, wow. Nung broken ako, guys. As in, hindi ko makakalimutan to, na parang, they know my triggers. So, they know me so well. Like, through and through, kilala ako ng kapatid ko, and actually, mas yung kapatid ko yung dalawa eh, si brother at si sister. They know me so well. They can read right through me. They know my bullshit. They call me out. And they know my triggers. So, and may ano doon double-edged sword yun. Kasi, syempre, pwede nila ako i-trigger in a bad way, or pwede nilang iwasan yung trigger, 'di ba? Nung broken ako, the trigger talaga, the parang kumbaga the word trigger is a trigger. So aware sila, basta ganon. Tapos, alam mo yung naramdaman ko na kahit di nila sinasabi, they kind of like was very considerate of my triggers, na parang si sister sasabihin niya na parang, "Hey, mommy," yung parang alam mo yun, yung parang magdalagay sila ng boundary just to not trigger me in terms of like, getting my heart broken and shit like that. So, tuntua lang ako na parang, oh my God, kinikilig ako sa fact na gano'n. So, may gano'n kaming dynamic, and proud talaga ako doon. At sana hindi na yun mabago. Kasi may mga ano talaga, may phases naman din talagang relationship with family. And I think so far, this 2022, sobrang solid nung bonding namin, nung like everything. And I think we're all growing up din naman. So, di na ako masyado petty. Wow. Talaga, char. Pero ganun, yun Pat, I love it. And I just love everyone in my life right now. And those who I don't talk to, like, yeah, I don't want to. That's it.
Nakakatuwa sis yung sa family. Alam mo, speaking of family, sa amin din ganyan. Like, ever since my sister got married, so syempre hindi namin siya nakikita dito sa bahay. Parang sinasabihin ako ng sister ko huy, mag-reply ka naman dun sa group chat. Kasi nga, sis, alam mo, pag busy ako, minsan talaga nakakalimutan ako mag-reply. Minsan, I'm a bad texter. Like, a really, really bad texter. But if you call, I'll be there. So ngayon parang napapansin ko na parang mas naging close kami. Mas naging hindi man clingy, pero parang mas naging close kami sa isa't isa because there are jokes and alam mo yon, at saka mas na feel ko yung parang ito na talaga yung ata yung pinakamaraming text namin sa isa't isa. Sis. Parang ito yung feeling na mas hinahanap mo yung tao pag wala siya. I don't know if you feel that with Vinci.
Yes.
Kasi nga, given na nag-tape siya ngayon at wala siya sa bahay. Pero like, mas machika, pag may time lumabas, lalabas talaga. Yan.
Correct. Oo, ganyan.
Ganun yung...
Ganyan nga. Kasi simula nung umalis ako sa bahay, naglayas, nag-alsabalutan, mas naging close talaga kami, and we appreciate we appreciate each other more. And mas nag-e-effort nga to update. Parang kumbaga mas updated pa nga sila na malayo ako kasi literal I'm gonna text, update, mag-i-message kami, ganyan. Tapos natutuwa pa ako pag kunwari tatawag si Vinci tatawag lang siya from wherever he is. And mag-FaceTime kami, mag-update, gano'n. So parang, oh my God, I don't even do that. Parang, hindi kasi ako ma-FaceTime eh. Parang text-text talaga ako. So, ganun. Nakakaloka, no? Oh my God. Oh my God. Yun lang. O, kilig na kilig sa live.
Grabe. Ang saya reminisce.
Yes.
Reminisce ng happy moments. But let's go to the bad parts. Let's talk about our shits. What is the biggest shit of 2022 for you?
Shit. Gasgas na to eh. Pero, I really was brokenhearted this year. I was really, half of the year, I think I was really broken. Like, literally in pieces. Arte. Oo, tas syempre nung time na yun, alam ko naman na makakaraos ako. Alam ko maitatawid ko yon, matatapos yon, it's a temporary feeling. But it was so strong na parang regardless regardless knowing the fact na it will be over in time, hindi ko magawang bumangon at the time na parang dapat bumangon na ako. Parang ganun. I was parang akong handicapped emotionally na, yuko. Parang ganun. Hindi dahil sa ayoko mag-move on or what, pero parang ang hirap. Ang bigat. Ang sakit. Tapos, to the point na parang nakalimutan ko na alagaan yung sarili ko. Yun and it wasn't even like losing myself Parang, mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko, pero ibang tao na siya. So parang kinikilala ko na naman siya. 'Di ba may ganun? Tas yun, hindi ko kasi in-expect Parang, hindi ko in-expect, pero dahil kasi doon, I'm just so much better now. Parang gano'n. Ang yabang. Pero totoo talaga siya, guys. But yeah, I think yun yung shit. Ay, hindi ko alam, Pat. I guess yun lang yung shit, sa totoo lang. Na nasaktan lang ako, pero alam kong part naman yun. Parang tinatanggap ko yun. Like, hindi naman pwede talagang forever happy ako. Parang it has to happen talaga. And I'm glad. I'm fucking glad it did. Yun na lang po, Tito Boy.
Yes.
Yun siya,
Ako
Pat.
siguro, sis, alam mo, bago ko i-share yung sa akin, tama ka na, na siguro maganda rin nangyaring na siya ngayon. Kasi baka mamaya in the future, baka naman ng 2023 mo, may mas bigger heartache pa.
Ay, grabe naman yun.
Na kung hindi mo I mean, okay, knock on wood, wag sana mangyari.
Charing.
Ayan, nag-knock
Thank
na ako
you.
sa wood.
Okay.
Pero, baka mamaya, may dadating na heartbreak na mas malaki, mas mabigat, na kailangan mo ng training session.
Oo.
Kumbaga, so to speak.
Correct.
Yun.
Correct naman. Yep.
Ako siguro ang biggest shit ko ay nag-season 2 ako ng COVID, sis.
Malala yun.
Sa within 1 year, sis ha?
Yeah.
To think na nagkaroon ako ng January and then nagkaroon ako ng November, ay putang ina talaga, sis. Yun yung masakit.
Ano?
Ano yung masakit?
Ano mas
yung
malala?
parang the second one.
Ooh.
Although same na mild, pero mas madami akong hinanakit sa katawan.
Physically.
Ang dami ko pinagdaanan bago ko gumaling.
Oo.
Yun. Kasi yung una naman parang, ay chill, ganun. Naudud lang.
At saka pagod na pagod ka nun. Kasi kasi pa Q4 na yan diba?
Uy,
At iba ang Q4. Mamamatay tao ang Q4. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo.
True.
Oh my God.
True. Mamamatay tao talaga siya. So parang, Lord. At saka alam mo sis, grabe ang hindi ko kinakaya ngayon. Ang tagal mo nang para makakuha ng booking ng angkas, ng Grab, kahit taxi. Sis, dumarating na ako sa point na kinakantahan ko na yung apps para lang mabook ako. Tapos, dasal-dasal talaga kay Lord.
Dasal talaga.
Na, Lord, please, dali na. Last na to. Tapos, hindi man talaga last yun. Alam naman namin parehas yun.
As a liar.
As a liar.
Oh my God.
Lord, alam mo naman
itamay si Lord talaga, sis. My gosh. Ay, nako.
Sa mga kaanuhan ko, no? Pero, yung totoo talaga, parang, Lord, bigay mo na sa akin kasi.
Ito, sis. Okay, the shit and the wins, diba? Besides your money, the money-making moves na nangyari for you this year, and the trips and all that, meron pa bang ibang breakthrough in your life na wala nakakaalam, na proud ka na nagawa mo ngayong taong ito?
Siguro, ma-figure out na shit, ina-anxiety pala ako sa trabaho. At ma-figure out na, trigger ko pala to. Finding out my triggers and finding out na what I was doing before was not healthy. na I have certain traumas from my work na hindi hindi ko dapat niro-romanticize before. At meron yung may mga tanong na I just want to be fair with all parties involved. Na okay, what this person did to me was traumatic for me. Siguro sa kanya wala lang yun, but for me it was. And then I'm not saying naman na this person is a horrible person. Hindi naman. Hindi rin sa dinidefend ko siya, but I just want to be fair na itong taong to, kahit hindi man kami ganun siguro ngayon eye to eye, it doesn't make that person a bad person. Gets ba?
Yeah.
Yon.
Hindi lang kayo aligned siguro at this certain moment in your lives, maybe.
Yeah, tsaka ando na rin talaga ako na, hindi, ayoko nang papasukin pa siya sa buhay ko. Parang, we can be friends, pero ganito lang tayo. Yeah.
Yes.
Yun.
Naging happy ka ba with that choice, Pat? I mean, I know parang recurring theme kasi yun sa pareho nating personal lives na parang meron tayong mga taong gustong-gusto ng bitawan or at the verge of like, you know what, papakawalan na kita, oras na. Naging happy ka ba? Wait, are you happier? Is your life better without them?
Well, yeah. I mean, not exactly like happy. Kasi hindi naman siya masyado nakakasalamuha. Pero like, yeah, I've been happier.
May peace, diba?
There's peace.
Yeah, and that's the best.
Andun din yung type na yun nga, na aside doon sa peace kasi, you're still looking for pieces of yourself na you didn't know you lost along the way. So, ngayon, makikita mo siya na, ay, pangit na pala traumatic na pala itong event na to. Ay, itong itong nangyari pala na to ay hindi pala kaakit-akit. Or itong treatment pala sa akin, itong group of people na to ay hindi pala tama. Parang, why am I letting them do this to me?
Yes.
Yan. So, may mga ganyan tayo sa buhay. Pero dahil ako si Pat, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan ko siya titiisin.
So, ngayon, tinitiis mo pa ba sila?
Actually, ngayon ko lang na-realize na yung why am I letting them do this to me?
Okay, get.
Since ngayon ko lang na-realize dahil sa isang nangyari recently. Parang, wait. Like, I know I know it's all fun and games for them. And yeah, it's okay. We were in that mood, fun and games. And I'm not taking it personally. Pero, ako feeling ko lang, it also says something about me if I let them get away with it some more. Gets ba?
Yes.
Parang there has to be an end. Or there has to be a boundary kung saan ang joke at saan ang hindi.
Correct.
Gets ba?
Yes. Oo.
Yun. This is both work and personal life pala. Not just work lang. So, yun.
Ang ganda nun.
May ganun, sis.
Proud of you, sis.
Thank you so much.
Iba yun.
Diba? Akala ko nung una wala akong progress. Wala akong growth. Parang,
Sis.
ito na lang ba talaga ako?
You did.
Parang biglang, girl. I'm so proud of me.
I know. Actually, yun yung isa sa mga parang recent na nasa isip ko lately. Yung parang, yung kunwari isang after busy day at work. Tapos marirealize, tang-ina, nagawa ko yun. Tang-ina, naitawid ko yung putang inang yun. Alam mo yun? Shoota, nagawa ko pa to? On top of nagawa ko to? Yung parang, aba puta. Tapos nakapag-advise pa ako kay ganitong friend. Na-accommodate ko pa si ganito. Yung parang, wow girl, ano ka? Parang ano yun? Parang hindi naman ako humahakot ng award dito. Pero bakit parang nagawa ko lahat? At hindi ito, not in any way nagyayabang ako Parang talagang minsan,
Yeah.
nasusurprise ka talaga sa sarili mo. Parang ikaw, di ba? Na parang, oh my God, yun pala yun. Nagawa ko pala yun. Napanindigan ko pala. Girl. And it's not just because it's 2022 year end Parang, naging constantly, siguro week on week ko siyang, week on week, month on month ko siguro naisip na parang, wow, naitawid ko na naman po ang isang Monday na napakadugo.
Ay,
Diba?
oo. Sis, ako minsan may mga ganyan ako na weekly na parang, ay shit, natawid ko tong meeting na ito. Naku, naitawid ko itong bentang to. Naitawid ko tong buwan na to para sa benta. Yun. O kaya naitawid ko tong araw na to. Minsan talaga, alam mo, ang kailangan mong isipin na maitawid lang yung araw. O kaya, meron tayo favorite kata sa Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt. Sabi niya, if you can make it in the next 10 seconds, you're fine.
I know. Oh my God, yes. I love that. That bit.
Ang ganda ng sinabi niya dun. You can make it in the next 10 seconds.
Grabe, no?
So, yan ang mantra ko ngayon.
Okay. Ito, may isa ako naisip. I don't know if you envision 2022 to be something. Kung nag-envision ka back in 2021, what 2022 would look like for you? Sa tingin mo, pumasa siya? Para bang may nagtugma ba or na-surprise ka talaga?
Na-surprise talaga ako, friend, kasi parang all my life, I didn't expect anything out of any year. Gets ba? Parang the bar was so low. The bar was so low na you could like step over it. And I would be happy. Pero 2022 gave me so much. I've lost a lot. I've gained some. And I take it as a win, sis. Yung loss na yon, I take it as a win. Parang, di ba? Parang, hindi ko na kailangan yung mga pabigat.
Amen. Wow.
Parang,
nag-umili na pala. Oh my gosh.
nag-umili. Parang hindi ko
you.
kailangan yung pabigat na yun. At saka alam mo kung ang biggest learning ko for 2022, at nakuha ko to sa episode natin, kay Ate Opa at kay Ate Nieto. My God, the best.
My God.
Parang Ate Opa, she said na you just have to stay in the present in order for you not to worry about the future. You have to stay in the present. So, I'm trying to make, I'm trying very badly though to stay in the present. At ang biggest ay yung kay Ate Nieto na when you meet Buddha, you have to kill them. So, acquiring all the knowledge that has been passed down to me by conversations, if I feel like this advice is telling me something, or itong pinag-uusapan namin na isang recurring theme na hindi ko naman plinat na pag-usapan, alam mo yun yung I'm gonna grab that. Minsan ako nga nagugulat ako sa sarili ko na parang kahapon, kagabi pa lang, Christmas party namin, di ba? Tinanong lang ako nung isa naming office mate, how are you? Lomi, bigla ko sabi na, I'm trying to make myself better. Lomi, biglang ganun na. Biglang sabi ko, alam mo sis, gulat din ako sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, ay may pa ganun ako. So, yung tinatanong lang naman niya kung kamusta yung well-being ko. Today, biglang may pa-check-in. Tapos, ay, tangina. Gulat din yung foreign germs Sis, oo talaga. Parang, ay, di niya in-expect. Ganun.
Ang galing. I mean, natutuwa ako kasi pareho tayong nagugulat, nasa-surprise, in a very good way yung hindi siya horror, hindi siya it's like wonderful tonight kind of parang wow, talaga. Oh my God, I did that and wow, I thought of that and I did that. Alam mo yun, mga ganun. Shit. And honestly, we really have to give ourselves credit. Sa totoo lang. Kasi kilala mo naman tayong dalawa Ano tayo we are our biggest freaking critics and haters. Diba? Parang, kumbaga kung may basher tayo yun Tayo yun. We bash ourselves a lot. I think, yun din yung learning ko this year na parang, okay lang pala talaga mag-slow down. Kailangan mo pala talaga yun. Kasi hindi ka talaga pwedeng magratratan. And you know me and my momentum, diba? I'm always that girl na parang, paspasan. paspasan, walang tigil. Alam mo yun, parang, ano girl, di ka nahihinga. Ganun eh. And I realized na mali. Lalo na pag tumatanda, girl. Feeling ko talaga tumanda talaga ako this year. Pero
Ay, totoo, sis.
in a beautiful way. Alam mo yun? Yung parang,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Nag-grow.
Oo, sis.
Actually, yan isang mga tanong ko na I'm sure nasagot naman natin parehas na, did you feel like you grew this 2022? Parang nalala ko nga, I remember in one of our conversations na you're feeling frustrated about what was going through with your work and with your life. And then I said, G, baka naman mamaya antayin mo lang kasi kinikilala mo pa si Gian 2022.
Oo.
Nagbabay ka na nga kay 2021. Yeah.
Grabe. Oo, sis.
Sis, diba?
Oo. And ito, isa sa proudest moment ko. I just have to say this kasi hindi mapapakali yung soul ko. Parang, ano yun? Ano yun? This year was the most open that I was. And I never expected that. Kasi basta alam mo to pa, tanda mo to na parang siguro mga Q1, Q2 parang I was telling you na, but, paano na, Nick? Paano na sa bare months? Parang lagi akong natatakot sa bare months. I mean, there's a pressure with bare months because birthday month ko November, 'di ba? So parang kailangan talaga may mangyaring amazing kalagi kapag November. Kailangan ano na to, ano ko to. It's a win or lose kind of month for me. And nag-worry ako. Yun siya, yun yung isa pa, parang lagi ako nag-worry for something. And then I realized pag nandun na ako, wala pala akong dapat ikabahala. Isa yun talaga tumatak sa akin this year na parang, sis, tigil-tigilan mo nga yan. Alam mo yun, na parang wala palang rason para mag-alala. Kasi magagawan mo ng paraan. Siguro ganun kapag yung nabuntis ka, 'di ba? Alam mo yan eh, yung parang 'di ba, lagi tayo, oh my god, I can't be a mom yet because like I don't know how to
Yeah.
feed my freaking anak and shit. Tapos pagdating na, pero 'di ba, lahat naman ng mga nanays talagang itatawid ko to, mapapakain ko,
Ay,
mapadede ko
true.
yung anak ko.
True,
Sis,
sis.
feeling ko ganun ako. Ganun ako, but sans the baby. Sans the infant.
Sans the baby.
Yeah.
Pero totoo, no? Matatawid at matatawid mo. Sana matawid natin ang 2022.
Oo. Yeah.
Okay. Gian, before we close the year and we greet our feelers a happy new year and a merry Christmas pala muna. Before we greet our isa pa. Before we greet our feelers a happy Christmas dahil British ako. Yes, British.
Oh yes, I love that.
Yeah. Happy Christmas and our Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. What is your biggest takeaway sa episode na to at sa buong taon?
Oh my gosh. I prepared for this moment. I've been waiting for this episode to come. Kasi sobrang dami ko talagang nakuha. Pero isa sa mga pinaka, I guess, tumatak, besides sa mga nasabi ko pa kanina, is number one, parang, and it's a tip for everyone, don't take anything personally. As in, just don't take anything personally. Because most of the time, the other person or the people around you, sila lang din, iniisip lang din nila yung mga sarili nila. Not for them, not because they are being selfish, pero minsan limited lang din kasi yung alam natin, 'di ba? Na ganito tuloy tayo mag-respond. So parang when I learned to not take things personally, ang daling bumitaw. Parang hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-dwell in the situation or what. And nakatulong yun this year for me. Tapos, isa pa, na sobrang basic, pero totoo talaga. It's the concept of, pag may binitawan ka, or may nilet go ka, pag, it's not a loss eh. You're just really making space for other people and opportunities to come in, and they are so much fucking better. As in, like, yun talaga yung parang, tangina, pinagmamalaki ko kasi natutunan kong bumitaw in the most genuine and healthy way, I guess, na parang, okay, kung hindi para sa, kunwari, sa trabaho, kung hindi para sa akin to, sige, I will try, Pero at some point, kailangan ko ng bitawan siya. Parang ganon. And then, opportunities will come in. Yun siya, sis, na parang, oh my God, this is so magical. And then, yung third would be, yun nga, yung parang, yung stopping myself in the middle of anticipating what's happening next. Okay lang palang ma-surprise ka. Because if masasabi kong, parang kumbaga, if babalikan ko yung taon, it was because I was so open and because I was so present in the moments na kailangan ko maging present. Kaya ako na maximize yung experience. I feel like in a lot of ways ganon. And nakatulong siya. And it made my life so much better. As in, oh my God, parang ang dami palang possibilities kung bubuksan mo lang din yung sarili mo, like your mindset and the way that you connect with people, ganyan. Ang laking tulong. So, yun ang mga nagpa-elevate ng buhay ko this year. And I am just so happy. And it's so ironic because I started the year crying. And I think I'm gonna still end the year crying, but with happiness. With so much joy. Because parang, hindi ko in-expect yung 360 turn of my life. But it was, I had to go through the needle and the haystack. Pero nakaalis na po ako. Yung term na the light at the end of the tunnel, feeling ko ako na yung bumbilya. Wow, and i-share ko na yung light sa ibang tao. So that's my biggest takeaway, guys. Happy
I think that's
2022.
Eigenrao.
Oh, really? Oh my God. Okay.
It's a Brazilian word. Yeah, Eigenrao.
Okay, papatato ko.
Tama ba?
Just.
Oo. I love that word.
Nice.
Anyway.
Okay. Ikaw, Pat.
Ako siguro, yung biggest takeaway ko for the episode and for the year was, breathe. A lot of things you can go through a lot of things or you can finish a lot of things if you breathe. Minsan ako napapatigil ako sa sarili ko kasi parang hindi ako humihinga. Yan. Tapos, ang isa din ay not being ashamed of what I achieved and not downplaying it for somebody else. And alam mo yung parang now I catch myself na parang palagi may pagbigay pugay sa mga tao. Parang why do I have to do this? Do I want to live my life doing this? Do I have to make myself smaller for this kind of person? Yun yung madalas tumatakbo sa utak ko na I find it so hypocritical na andito ko talking about these things and then I let other people and I let myself become smaller for some people. Like, ayan, nagsisimula na ako na parang I want to say na I'm done. Ayoko na yes, I'm willing to compromise but I'm not gonna make myself smaller for you people. I need yun yung biggest takeaway ko, finding that strength. And I remember even before na parang we talked about feeling lost and nandun ako sa space na gusto ko lang hindi mawala. Yun, ako feeling ko ngayon slowly nahanap ko na yung hindi mawala. Hindi ko nahanap yung sarili ko. Nahanap ko yung hindi ako mawala. Yun. My God, I'm so happy. Yun. At siguro another one is appreciating more yung mga taong nakapaligid sa akin.
Amen.
Yan. Sis. Alam mo talaga yan. Yung mga taong hindi mo ine-expect dating sa buhay mo or yung mga taong hindi mo ine-expect na itong tao pala na to mag-show up para sa akin.
Yes.
Sis, yun talaga. Gulat talaga ako. Pat kahit sa office, parang, Day, talaga? Touch naman ako sa'yo. Ganun. Yan yung mga hindi ko ine-expect. And gusto ko sinabi mong surprises kasi yes, the surprises keep on coming. Parang, sis, asap ba to? Ang daming pa-surprise. Ang daming naman sa surprise singers. Sis, parang, ay,
Asap
kumanta si,
live.
si Sarah.
Oh my God.
Ganun. At saka, siguro, enjoying not feeling guilty about enjoying something. Kahit nasa gitna ka ng pandemya, kahit ano man yung, you're receiving lots of things. Tapos, aware ka so na yung mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi naman sila hindi nakakaangat-angat sa buhay. Ang sama man pakinggan. Pero parang, you're experiencing some things na hindi naman din nila na-experience. Parang sa akin, you're not being insensitive. Yun lang yun yung parang learnings ko na hindi naman sa naging insensitive ako Hindi ko naman kasalanan na hindi niya nakuha yun. It just so happened na nabigay siya sa akin. So, why am I going to suffer? Gets ba? Na hindi pag share nung experience sa kanya at yung joy. Hindi naman din ibig sabihin nun, hindi ko wini-wish yun para sa kanya. Yun. Okay, Gian, nag-give up na ang aking boses. Tapusin na natin to. Ikaw na, take it away, G.
Okay, guys. So, feelers, thank you for joining us in this Feelings Wrapped 2022 episode. Yes. Oo, talagang excited akong i-share to. Because I am full of wisdom right now. At si Patren. Yon. So, guys, if you want to continue having feelings explained around, well, you better support us kasi yun naman talaga ang fuel namin. Your support is everything. Wow, it means the world. So, if you haven't yet, please follow us. We're Feelings Explained, the podcast on all social media channels. Join our Facebook group. It's called Feelings Unwrapped. Sorry, sasabihin ko na medyo, kami doon, medyo hindi kami active kasi sobrang busy po talaga at hindi po talaga kami nagjo-joke sa pag sinabi namin sobrang busy po kami. Yun po. And then, pero join lang kayo, bubuhayin namin yan. And don't forget, if you're listening on Spotify, please click on the follow button and the bell button so that you will be notified when we are back. Because this will be the last episode of the year 2022 and the last episode also for Season 5. Tama, di ba? Season 5 na. Yes! So, we will be back for more feelings next year. So, see you soon, guys. Please don't forget about us. And, thank you so much for this. For this. We love you, feelers. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. This has been Gian.
And this has been Patty. Iwan po namin kayo ng mensahe na, again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Padala niyo po kami ng pamasko at aginaldo. Bye!
Bye!